The sun was still rising when the church bells began to ring. Inside, the air was heavy with the scent of flowers and grief. Friends, neighbors, and relatives sat in rows, eyes red from crying. In the front lay a wooden coffin. Inside it, they believed, was Mr. Salim, the kind shopkeeper who always had a smile for everyone. People whispered about how suddenly he had died. As the priest spoke kind words about Salim's generosity, the room felt united in sorrow. Tears rolled down cheeks. Some sobbed quietly. And then it happened. The large church doors creaked open. A man in a dark coat walked in, his footsteps echoing in the silence. Heads turned. Mouths fell open. He took off his hat. It was Salim. Gasps filled the room. One old lady fainted. A few men shouted in shock. Salim raised his hand for silence and said calmly, "I am not dead, but I had to know who truly cared." He looked around slowly. "I've lived among you for years. I wanted to see if I left this world, who would cry, who would pray, who would remember me." Some people ran to hug him in relief. Some avoided his eyes, ashamed, and a few left the room angrily, muttering about cruelty. Salim simply smiled and said, "Life is short. Show love while the person is alive, because flowers on a coffin can't be smelled." Moral: don't wait for death to value someone's life.